integration of exponential function. So basically we would like to integrate something in this form, and we know that the integral of e to the x dx is e to the x plus some constant. However, it is a chain rule version which says e to the u with respect to the u is equal to e to the u plus k. Now let's try to have some example and use it. So let's say that the question is the integral of e to the 2x dx. Alright, so in this one we can use actually substitution, or I think before I go to the substitution I'll just go to the one of the technique, okay, which is first take the derivative of this one in your head. So the derivative of that one is 2, so you multiply that by 1/2. Again, because the derivative of this is 2, then take the opposite of that, that's 1/2. So now the answer is 1/2 e to the 2x plus k. Now maybe let's try to redo this one again using the conceptual approach. So what we can do is the technique of substitution. So if you have the technique of substitution, you can say that let u is equal to 2x, so therefore the derivative of u is equal to 2 dx, and then now you do the substitution. So this one will be, you just copy that, that is e to the 2x, so that basically that is e, but your 2x is your u, so that is your u, okay, e to the u. And then you need an expression for dx, and we can find the dx from here, from this one, okay. From there we can say that the dx is equal to 1/2 of the u, okay. So just put the du there, and that 1/2 could be put in front. So therefore this original question is now this, and we know that the integral of that is e to the u plus k. So therefore the final answer is 1/2 e to the u plus k, right? Or put it back into the x, 2x plus k, okay. But actually this is the easiest way. So just take the derivative in your head, and then put it like what it calls one, put it like a reciprocal. Let's try to have one more example, number 2. So let's say that you have the integral of 4e to the 5x minus 1 dx, right? 4e to the 5x minus 1 dx. I'm going to use another approach, hoping that you will be able to take which approach is actually better. So as you can see, I will write the formula, and please try to look at this formula this way. The integral of e to the u du is equal to e to the u plus k. Please try to take note. In here, that's u. In here, that's u. Meaning, the expression there should be the same. If you notice, this is not the same with this one. Okay, it's not the same with that one. So basically, what do you want to do is that you rewrite it in such a way that they become the same. So I'll just 4e to the 5x minus 1 times the derivative of 5x minus 1. Okay, so as you can see now, this one and that and these and these are now the same. However, this is not our original question. The original question is this one. So we need to do something in such a way that it's still similar to the original question. As you notice, the derivative of this one, the derivative of 5x minus 1 is 5. So basically, you need to get rid of that 5 over there. How will you get rid of that? Is you multiply that by 1 over 5. Again, please don't get confused. Okay? The formula wants you to make these two the same so that this you can get this answer. If they're not the same, then you cannot say that this is the answer. Okay? However, when you make it the same, this one here, when you take the derivative, is 5. So you need to get rid of the effect of that 5. And how to get rid of the effect of that 5 is to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 1 over 5. Okay? So now, this question now follows this. So therefore, the final answer is, somehow I cannot erase it. So therefore, the final answer is now 4 over 5, okay, e to the 5x minus 1 plus k. Alright? So basically that's it. So if you want to use the substitution method, you can use this approach here. If you want to use this approach, this is basically the Chinese approach. When I was in China, some kids are using this approach. Alright? And the substitution is somehow like Westerner approach. Okay, I'm gonna give you one more before I proceed to the other one. Alright, so for example, you have the integral, okay, of 3 e to the 6x dx. Again, you can just use the strategy that I ask you to use. So in your head, this is in your head. Take the derivative of 6x. And the derivative of 6x is 6. Now in your head, reverse that 6. So that's actually 1 out of 6. And then you write that 1 out of 6 outside. Okay? And then times 3 e to the 6x plus k. So therefore the final answer is 1/2 e to the 6x plus k. Alright, so I'm gonna have second part of this one. Okay, so have a good day. See you on the next video.